It's another beautiful day here in New York City. That's right, it's also a Thursday, meaning there's only one day left until the weekend. And not just any weekend, a 3-day holiday weekend. And boy, do I have even better news for you. It's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and it's time for happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they saw quite the slide Thursday afternoon, pulling the S&P 500 off of its recent highs as concerns about Ukraine overshadowed strong reports about the U.S. economy. Now, let's first begin with those reports. Figures from the Commerce Department show that the economy expanded more than expected, with GDP rising at a 4.2% annualized pace. Now, another report had the number of Americans filing for jobless benefits dropping by 1,000 to 298,000 last week. And yes, there's more, and it's good too. The NAHB, the National Association of Realtors, reported that more Americans signed contracts to buy existing homes in July, pending home sales. They were up 3.3%. But the better-than-expected data was all brushed to the side, following reports of escalating tensions and fighting in Ukraine, with that nation's president stating that Russian troops are entering the country and have already entered the country and are now fighting alongside Russian-backed separatists. And when news like this hits, well, what else do you expect from the markets but a slide? And for every 5 shares rising, roughly 9 declined over at the New York Stock Exchange. And let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this volatile session. And on the corporate front, Dollar General in the headlines again as it rose after reporting strong second quarter results. But Abercrombie & Fitch, its shares dropping, even after the apparel retailer beat earnings estimates because its quarterly revenue, that came in short. So it's about that time to kick back, relax, have yourself a drink. Just think about it, guys. One more day left until the 3-day weekend. Well, at least here in the U.S. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.